Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Capital One Venture X card. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To authenticate with your Capital One Venture X card, start by opening the Capital One mobile app on your device. If you don't have the app installed, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once the app is open, tap on the Sign In button. Enter your username and password in the provided fields. If you've forgotten your username or password, tap on the respective link to recover your information. After entering your credentials, tap on the Sign In button again. You may be prompted to verify your identity through a security code sent to your registered phone number or email. Check your phone or email for the code and enter it into the app. If entered correctly, you'll gain access to your account dashboard. From there, you can view your transactions, check your balance, and manage your account settings. If you're using a computer, visit the Capital One website and click on the Sign In option at the top right corner. Enter your username and password, then click on the Sign In button. Like the mobile app, you may also receive a security code for verification. Once you enter the code, you'll be signed in to your account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Capital One customer support for assistance. Always ensure that you log out of your account after use, especially on shared devices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.